Kok saya nggak bisa record?
Weather and season.
Saya nggak bisa record. Ini harus bisa record. Oh, tadi kok nggak bisa. Oke. What was our topic last week? Minggu kemarin? But we don't discuss the season
Weather and
yet.
season.
Yeah, weather and season. We don't discuss the season yet. But today we are going to discuss how does the season happen in our planet. Yeah. So, what do you see?
This a Tata Surya.
Solar system. Solar system, Tata Surya. The big one is Sun. The first planet, we know, Mercury. The second one, Venus. The third one, yang di rumah boleh jawab loh. Kok Justin masuk ya ini? The third one, Earth. Yang ketiga apa? Yang di rumah bisa lihatnya nih. Miss Debbie muterin apa nih yang ketiga nih? The third planet.
Gak kelihatan.
Are you sure? Gak kelihatan, masa gak kelihatan?
Sorry, Miss Grace, I'm late.
Yang lain kelihatan nggak? Ini loh. Masa nggak kelihatan ini? Can you see from
Gak
home?
kelihatan.
I can see it.
Are you sure?
I can see it, Miss Debbie.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
one you are moving, right?
Yes, yes. The Earth. The third one. The
Yeah, I
third,
see it.
the third planet. Ya. The third planet. Nih, lebih dekat lagi. Ya, the fourth one. Siapa yang tahu yang keempat apa? Yes. All the planet
Miss
orbit.
Debbie.
Ya.
Miss Debbie. I
Yes.
have a book about that.
Oh, you have a book about it, so you must know. You can answer my question. The fifth, yang kelima apa? Big planet. Planet.
Jupiter.
Oh. Yes. With the ring, yang ada cincinnya.
Saturnus. Saturnus.
All the planet, remember, all the planet move around or orbit, ya namanya orbit ya, atau move around what? Move around to
The sun.
sun, ya.
The star.
This is the Saturn. The second one, siapa yang tahu ini? After Saturn, setelah Saturnus apa?
Uranus.
Uranus.
Uranus, ya Uranus. All the planet, apa? All the planet move around the
Sun.
sun, move around the sun.
Miss Debbie, can you hear me?
Say orbit. We say orbit. Justin, how are you?
I'm fine. Just, I got a cough.
Oh, Justin, you need to take some rest. That's fine. You can see my recording later. Yeah.
Okay.
There will be no assignment. No worries. Yeah.
Yeah.
Today is our last meeting. Yeah. The last planet. The last planet.
Neptune. Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune. So our solar system, we said Milky Way. Yeah. Our solar system in Milky Way. Ada 8. There are 8 planets. Right? Ada 8 planets.
Miss Debbie.
There is another one, but it's too tiny. So
It's
scientists
named Pluto.
very small
What's Pluto?
to the solar system anymore. Right? Yang Pluto itu terlalu kecil katanya. Jadi tidak boleh dimasukkan ke dalam tata surya lagi katanya. Scientists said that.
Planets in order are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. and Neptune.
Disebutnya planet kerdil. Ya, disebutnya. There are some tiny planet also, right? Tapi itu tidak dimasukkan dalam Milky Way atau tata surya kita. The solar system, our solar system in Milky Way galaxy. Yeah. So, guys, what are we going to discuss today is talk about season. Musim. How does the season happen in our Earth? Sekarang kita akan bahasanya one planet. That is our
planet. Earth.
Sekarang kita lihat ya. How does the season happen? This one. Tolong, please pay attention. Pay attention.
Miss Debbie.
Apa?
This also explains how seasons work.
Yes, sure. Can you hear it at home?
Yes. Yeah.
Why do you have different season? That is the title. Yeah.
May, June, July, August, September, October,
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August.
It's just spinning around now. What?
Oh.
That's Earth.
We orbit the sun.
Why is it spinning so fast?
It's spinning like a fidget spinner.
You don't have to say something. Just listen to the explanation.
Okay.
Everybody please quiet.
I don't hear anything.
This is our title. Why do we have different seasons in our world?
I can't hear a thing.
You can't hear a thing. Does anybody at home can you
I can hear.
Can you see
I can hear something, but it's like only like a wave. That's it.
Oh, just be quiet.
The video.
Yeah, just be quiet and then see does the video smooth or not. Yeah.
Okay.
Lancar nggak? Coba lihat ya.
Okay.
If not,
Lancar kok di
yeah. If not, I can give you the link. Yeah.
Okay. Habitat Earth.
You know that Earth orbits the sun, right? And that it takes a full year for our planet to complete its orbit. Earth also rotates like a slightly tilted spinning top. Earth remains tilted in the same direction all year round as we orbit the sun. But that means the sun's light shines differently on Earth at different times of the year. Let's look at Earth when it's winter in the northern hemisphere. Observe how the North Pole tips away from the sun. This means that sunlight strikes the northern hemisphere at a shallow angle for a short period of time. This is why winter weather is generally cool with short days and long nights. As Earth orbits the sun, we move towards spring in the northern hemisphere. Now Earth is tilted neither toward nor away from the sun, as day and night are about equal in length. As we make our way to the summer months, notice that Earth is still tilted in the same direction, only now on the other side of our orbit. The North Pole is tipping toward the sun. Sunlight strikes the northern hemisphere more directly, and the sun stays in the sky for a longer time. Compared to winter, summer days are warmer, and the sun stays in the sky much longer. Notice too that while it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's winter in the southern hemisphere. Because of Earth's tilt, the seasons are reversed. We observed how Earth's tilt creates the different seasons throughout the year. How does this affect life? Plant life and other photosynthesizers, we call them primary producers, depend on sunlight. They respond to the changes in the seasons. Earth orbiting satellites measure the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by these primary producers. Bright regions on this map show where they devour the most carbon dioxide, turning light from the sun into oxygen and natural sugars. In spring, when sunshine strikes the cold waters of the North Pacific, productivity skyrockets. Phytoplankton and other microscopic photosynthesizers form the base of the ocean food web, and all ocean life responds to changes in the seasons. On land, forests grow green during
This is our Earth in
right
flat.
along the
Ini kalau
continents.
buminya datar kayak gini.
During winter, continents in this view turn dark.
Okay. Now let's see. Dari sini ya. We start.
Miss Debbie,
Yeah.
I think I saw Indonesia.
Oh yeah, sure, sure.
Miss Debbie. Miss Debbie.
Yeah.
I think I was in America since like 26, and then I saw like there's like spring, fall, winter, and summer. There's
let me share
four seasons in
Yeah.
Luar Negeri.
Yeah, sure.
But in our country, there's
that's
only
what I
two.
want to discuss. Yeah. Can you see this now, everybody?
Yeah.
That's our Earth with the cloud. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait.
Itu ada putih-putih apa?
Clouds.
It's cloud, yeah. Cloud. The weather.
What about the blue thingy? Is that
last
sea?
week.
Is that water?
Yeah.
It's the water. Obviously water.
Yeah.
Water. Sea water.
It's kind of
What
dark.
was the green one? What was the green? What is the
Land.
green one?
That's grass.
Grass. What is the yellow or a little bit brown?
And
Sand. It look like
it's like the desert, I guess. It's the desert.
That looks
desert.
like the jungle.
Yeah. Good. Now, if you want to see Indonesia, then let me change.
Terrain.
That is Indonesia here.
I see that. Oh,
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, Indonesia is the big.
what is that? What is that gray thingy? I just saw a gray thing.
Indonesia
What
is
that?
the biggest. The biggest number of island. Jadi maksudnya Indonesia itu punya pulau-pulau yang paling banyak di dunia, ya. It's obviously this is the
Sumatera,
Pacific
Kalimantan,
Ocean. Pacific.
Sulawesi,
Ini adalah Samudra
Maluku,
Pasifik. This is Indonesia.
Papua, Bali, Jawa, that's a lot.
Ya. And this one is Afrika kontinent. Ini Afrika. Ini yang di atasnya adalah Eropa, Europe.
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 Yeah.
This is the Atlantic Ocean and this is the America, Southern and North, utara dan selatan Amerika. Ya.
The sea where Aquaman lives.
Ya, between America and Indonesia there is a ini namanya Atlantic Ocean. This is Australia in the southern. Australia di bawah ya. Lihat Australia di bawah. China di atas.
That's where my brother's at.
Yeah, oh yeah. China is on the north. And this is
I've been
Africa
there before.
continent again. Yes, pardon? Where is us katanya? Ada yang tanya, di mana kita? Where is us? Di mana kita? So after the Atlantic, this is the Pacific ya. Nih, Indonesia ini.
Miss Debbie.
This is Indonesia tadi ya.
Miss Debbie.
Pardon?
Why does that look like a dinosaur?
Can I go?
Nah, itu Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea, right?
Miss Debbie, can I get the charger?
Sure. You go. Where are
Miss
we?
Debbie, you kind of said you kind of sound like you said Peppa.
Di mana
Papua.
kita katanya?
I don't
Di
know.
mana? Di mana kita? This
Right
is Papua
there.
New Guinea. This is Papua New Guinea. Look like a bird ya. Nah,
What is
ini
this?
Indonesia. This
That
is
looks like a
Indonesia.
dinosaur. What is
Good.
that?
Look like dinosaur itu Papua New Guinea.
Miss Debbie, kind of sounds like you're saying Peppa Pig, New Guinea.
Yes, huh? Papa? It look like a bird ya, dinosaur. Nah, Amerika utara selatan. Amerika.
I
North
love
and
America.
South. Ya, ulangi ya. Amerika North and South. This
What is that
the
thingy? What is that?
Atlantic- the
What is this?
Atlantic,
What is that?
Pacific.
What is that?
Pacific Ocean.
It's the
Japan,
ocean.
Korea, ini Japan,
Obviously the
Korea.
ocean.
Japan, Korea. Apalagi? What else that you want to know?
Wait, what is that gray thing? Miss
This is Africa, this is Europe. England, Inggris di atas tuh.
Where is North Korea?
Korea, kita lihat Korea di mana?
No, not South. North Korea. The North.
Wait, Thailand. Nah, ini Thailand.
Indonesia.
Nih. This
That's
is Thailand
Indonesia.
ya. This is
That's
Thailand.
Thailand.
And
What's
ini
that gray thing?
Korea tadi.
What's that gray thing,
It's
Miss
a
Gray?
rock.
And this is Arab.
humongous
Ini
rock.
Arab, Afrika, England.
England.
It's
British.
It's a
British.
big England rock.
This is
It's a British
America
rock.
and Canada and Alaska. Ini di utara, North Pole, kutub utara di atas.
Miss Debbie,
Russia. Russian.
where's Argentina?
Oh, Argentina is in the South America. Ini Russian di sini nih, Russian. Nah, this one.
Russian.
Yes. Rusia itu di utaranya Cina. The north
Where's
of
Vietnam?
China.
Vietnam.
Wait. You ask for Argentina here, Argentina. Ini nih tadi nih.
Ooh.
What else?
Where's
Brazil here,
Vietnam?
di selatan tadi.
Where's Vietnam?
Hollywood in here. California.
Hollywood.
Ya, Hollywood in the California. What else?
Vietnam,
India.
Miss
Ada yang
Debbie.
tanya India. This is India. Ini nih, India. Ya. What else?
Where's Vietnam?
Vietnam. Wait.
Sorry.
Ya, you can mute. Japan. Ya, Japan. Bentar. Vietnam first. Vietnam. Someone asked for Vietnam. Where
That's
is
where my
Vietnam?
brother
That was
is.
just the.
Vietnam is the south of China, di selatannya Cina ya. Nah, ini Vietnam di sekitar sini. Ya, di sekitar sini. You ask for Japan? Japan di sini tadi, ta? Di sini.
We already discussed that.
Japan is an island. Ya, Japan itu look like us. Island. Many island. Ulang ya, this is North America and this is South America.
South America.
Ya.
South America looks like a pizza.
Nih, yang tanya Jepang di sini. This one is Japan, island. Ini Korea, yang ini Korea. This is Korea. Ya, China is here. Brazil.
Asians. There's Asian.
Brazil is in the South America. Nih Brazil ya.
Jerman.
Ini Brazil di sini ya. Jerman is in Europe. Jerman itu di Eropa. Yes.
Can you send the link?
Ini Jepang. Ini sekali lagi. This one is Jepang.
Can you send the link?
Yes, sure. Ini Korea. Yang tanya Jerman tadi. Jerman di sini nih.
Where's Canada?
Where is
Canada.
Ah, Jerman di sini ya. Is near the Belanda, Holland.
Miss Debbie, where's Canada?
Canada is here. This is America. Ini United States ya. Ini Canada. And this is Alaska. Ya. Ya. Pardon? Bali. Bali is Indonesia. Oh, Bali is Bali is one of the Indonesian island. Yep.
Yeah.
Bangkok tadi sudah Bangkok Thailand ya.
Debbie, this is a hard one, I think. Where's Kazakhstan? I don't know how to spell that.
What are you looking for? Indian? Tadi yang Bangkok di sini Bangkok. About Bangkok. Bali di sini Bali. Here. After Jawa. Ya. Dan United Kingdom here. Nih, ini. England.
Miss, where is Italy, Miss?
China. Ada yang tanya Shanghai di mana? Shanghai is in China. Sudah ya? Miss Debbie will continue. Nah, so this is the China. Ini Korea. This is Shanghai. Shanghai di sini di pinggir sini. Okay, that's fun ya. Okay, now Miss Debbie will.
Can you share the link to the thingy?
Later.
To the boom meeting?
Okay, here. Baca, please read. The earth.
The Earth is divided up into northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
The Earth is divided by two. What is that?
What?
Northern hemisphere and southern
Northern and southern hemisphere.
South,
Jadi
Equator.
bagian utara dan selatan.
Ecuador. Somebody just say Ecuador.
Utara dan selatan. Let's see again. This is the sun, yeah. The Earth, remember, the Earth orbit the sun, yeah. The Earth orbit the sun. And let's read together. The Earth, yeah, 1, 2, 3.
The Earth is tilted on an axis.
What is tilted? Tilted itu artinya miring.
North Pole, South Pole.
What is tilted?
Miring.
Miring. Jadi bumi kita itu
Sideways.
So our Earth is tilted. Bumi kita itu miring, ya, 23.5 degree. 23,5 derajat on its axis. Do you see the line? Do you see the line?
Yes.
That is not really real line. Itu kalau kalian cari line-nya tidak ada. It's imaginary line. Ini namanya imaginary line. Ya. That you can see the North Pole and South Pole. Ya. You see the North Pole and South Pole. Ini adalah kutub utara dan ini adalah kutub selatan. Oke? Okay? It's an imaginary. Ya, kalau digambar bisa kelihatan lah. Ya. Oke, next. Miss Debbie will explain. Nah, sekarang Miss Debbie will explain. How does the season happen? Mana tadi videonya ya?
Happens every month.
Every month.
We start from, kita mulai dari bulan Oktober. Let's see the October. How does the Earth tilted? Oh, January. Okay, everybody please quiet, please. Oh. Sure. Okay, now Miss Debbie will explain how does the season happen. Ya, dengarkan ya. We start on October.
Means the sun's light shines differently on Earth at different times of the year. Let's look.
Okay, now let's see. Lihat ya. Remember that the Earth divided by two. Tadi apa? Bumi dibagi dua. Apa? Sure. Wait.
By two.
Divided by two. Apa namanya? Northern and? Do you remember that Earth divided by two? Northern and southern. Utara dan selatan. Pakai earth ya. Southern hemisphere. Northern and southern hemisphere. And then we divided this line. Ini namanya this line divided ya. That divided the Earth into the north and south. Yang membagi bumi menjadi utara dan selatan is the equator. What do you call? Equator. Equator. Ya. Where is the sun? Di mana mataharinya? Di mana mataharinya? On the left or on the right? I'm asking you. On the right, because this is light. Nih ya, ini tadi garisnya. From this line, Miss Debbie, take a straight line on the right. So this one get the sunlight less. Jadi yang utara ini mendapatkan sinar matahari sedikit. Ya, but at the south ini ya.
When it's winter in the north.
Nah, that's why it's called winter. I take the line. Ini garisnya. Garis apa tadi namanya? Garis apa tadi? Equa. Oke, kalau nggak jawab, Miss Debbie nggak lanjut. Equator. Miss Debbie divide the earth by 2. And then I take the line to the right. And then where is the sunlight? On the right side. So this on the northern, jadi di utara ini, dapat mataharinya sedikit. It's only up to here. It's only up to this line. Sampai batas garis ini saja. Oh, that's more. Karena sedikit, because this is less, then that say that what we say winter happen in the northern. Karena itulah, that's why winter happen in the northern. Why? Why? Karena
Miss Debbie.
the northern get less or more. Less or more in here.
Miss Debbie, may I go to the toilet?
Sure. Di utara sini sedikit apa banyak? Coba, you compare to the southern. Ini yang di selatan. Ini yang di selatan sampai batas garis. Mana, which one is more sunlight? Which one? Yang mana yang lebih banyak mataharinya? Which one? North or south? North or south?
South.
South, betul. That's why we call in the southern happen, summer happen in the southern. Jadi kalau yang mataharinya banyak, dapatnya musim apa? Panas, summer. Yang mataharinya sedikit, namanya musim winter, musim dingin. Ulang ya. I take the line in the middle. Namanya apa? Equator. The earth is divided by 2. Buminya dibagi 2. The equator, and then I take to the right. Dan Miss Debbie tarik garis ke kanan. And then where is the sunlight? Yeah, on the right side. And then in the northern, less or much? Banyak atau sedikit? The sunlight. Compare to the south. Lihat yang bawah. Banyak atau sedikit? Compare to the north. Dibandingkan yang atas, mana yang lebih banyak? Which one is more sunlight? Which one? South or north?
South?
South or north?
Wait. Wait.
South. Ya, diulang. Which one get sunlight more? North or south?
South.
That's why we call summer in the south. Australia, Afrika Selatan, New Zealand, summer. On November, December, January. Ya, nah nanti Februarinya belum. Sure, Danica, you go. But in the America, China, England, ya, Canada, Alaska, they got winter in the northern. Do you understand up to here? Sampai sini ngerti nggak? Yang di utaranya bumi, yang di bagian atas dapat winter, yang bawah dapat summer. Why? Why? Kenapa? Why? Miss Debbie tanya dulu sebelum melanjutkan. Why? Why in the northern got winter, in the southern got summer? Why? Kenapa?
Mataharinya lebih banyak di
mataharinya lebih banyak di bagian selatan, southern. Ini kan mataharinya dibagi 2. Buminya dibagi 2. Buminya dibagi 2. Ini namanya garis apa? What is this?
ekuator.
Ekuator membagi bumi jadi 2. Ya, oke, Miss Debbie continue. Tadi someone asked for January, February. What is the season in February katanya? What is the season in February? Let's see. Lanjut ya.
Hemisphere. Observe how the North Pole tips away from the sun. This means that sunlight strikes the northern
ini yang
at a
tadi ya.
shallow angle for a short period of time.
January is still cold in the northern.
Cool with short days and long
Lihat,
nights.
Amerika, Eropa,
As
ya.
Earth orbits the
Tadi
sun,
dapat
we
winter.
move towards spring in the northern hemisphere.
Oke, now let's start. Nah, start from March. Jadi Februari masih winter ya. Februari masih winter tadi di utara, in the northern. Now, let's see from March. After March apa? Setelah Maret apa? Setelah Maret apa? March, April, and then May. 3 months. Repeat. March, April, May. Let's see what season. Let's see what season.
Now Earth is tilted neither toward
Okay. Now, the earth is straight. Buminya sekarang tegak ya? Buminya sekarang miring nggak? Does it tilted? Miring?
Enggak, tegak.
No.
It's straight. That's why Miss Debbie garis tarik garis ini garis apa namanya? What is this line?
Ekuator.
Ecuador.
I take to the right.
Ecuador.
And this is divided by 2 equally. Equally itu apa sih? Equally itu apa? Equally itu apa? Divided by 2 equally. Apa artinya? Divided by 2 equally. Dipotong jadi 2 sama besar. Tolong di-mute dulu semuanya. Fisik ya. Nah, sekarang sudah dibagi 2 sama besar. Where is the sunlight? Mana mataharinya? Where is the sunlight? On the right. Equally. Katanya ini karena ini tegak. Jangan dicoret dulu. Jangan dicoret, siapa itu? Justin ya? Nah,
It's not me.
di bawah juga sama. The same equally. Equally sunlight. Mataharinya sama banyak. Because the earth is straight. Sekarang buminya tegak nih. Di bulan Maret. Di bulan apa? March, April, May. Ya, let's see what season. Let's see what season. Mataharinya sama banyak ya, because the earth is straight. Let's see what season.
nor away
Nah,
from the sun.
what is
As
this?
Day and night are about equal in length.
Good.
As we
Dapat apa nih Amerika? Ini Amerika. Spring. And then in Australia, New Zealand, ini Australia. Fall. Fall itu musim gugur, autumn, ya, autumn. Justin said that you ever go to the 4 season ya? Pernah ya Justin ya?
Yep.
Nah, Australia, New Zealand ini fall di bulan March, April, May. While in the North America, Kanada, China, apalagi yang di utara? Denmark, Belanda, Holland. Kalian semua yang di rumah di mute ya, kalau nggak tanya ya. Masuk ke sini. Apalagi yang di utara? Yang kalian tahu tadi negaranya? China, Japan, Korea, Amerika, Kanada, United Kingdom, got spring. On March, April, May. Jakarta di mana? Jakarta, where is Jakarta? Jakarta is in Indonesia. Indonesia, where is Indonesia? Where is Indonesia? Bali is Indonesia. Ya, Bali itu di Indonesia ya sayang. So where is Indonesia in this earth? Indonesia di mana? Spring or fall? No, Indonesia is in the middle. Now we know I never seen spring. Ini loh, guys, Indonesia itu adanya di ekuator. So we don't have spring, we don't have fall. Oh no, we don't have spring, we don't have fall. We only have 2 seasons. What are they? Sunny or dry and rain. Ya. Nah, itulah Indonesia got only 2 seasons, dry and rainy, because Indonesia lies on apa ini?
The middle.
Equator, in the middle of the earth. Betul.
So it looks like in the corner, there's spring and fall, and then in the other corner there's
Yeah,
winter and summer.
this look like that ya. In the corner, kalau in the corner itu namanya South Pole. In the corner namanya ini South Pole. The penguin is here, while in the north, igloo, tahu rumah es igloo, ini di utara, kutub utara. Kalau yang di selatan, northern, southern,
North Pole is where
penguin.
where
Kalau mau cari penguin,
Santa's there.
ya mau cari penguin itu di New Zealand, Australia, di bagian selatan, ya. Oke.
I've been
Sampai
to
sini. Any more question? Any other question? Any question? Sampai sini ngerti? Everybody understand?
What time is it right now?
9:12. Still have time. Okay. Before we do the other activity, any question? Now, why Indonesia has 2 seasons? Coba, please answer, friends. Friends, answer. Okay, Jordan has one more question. Tadi siapa yang tanya? Teres. Cheris asked. Please, friends at home, you can help to answer. Why Indonesia has 2 seasons? Why? Yuk, yang di rumah. Kalau tidak,
Karena di garis ekuator.
yes, Indonesia ini gambarnya ya. Indonesia lies in equator. Let's see ya. Di mana Indonesia tadi? Let's see where is Indonesia.
Miss Debbie.
Wait.
Where's Kazakhstan?
Ini kan buminya dibagi 2 nih ya. Take a look Indonesia. Where is Indonesia? Here. Nah, buminya kan dibagi 2. Indonesia is here. Equator. That's why Indonesia has only 2 seasons. Are you satisfied with the answer? Good. Now Jordan has one more question. He said. Let's hear. Let's listen. Yes, Jordan. Yang di rumah itu mute dulu, yang di rumah. Mute. Pardon, Jordan? But you don't want? Pardon? One more question. What was your question? What is your question? You don't want to talk? You said. Yeah, one more question. What is that? What is that? What is that? Anything else? No? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sun is bright. Oh. Why? Tadi kan cari sudah. Why Indonesia has 2 seasons? Because Indonesia lies in terletak di mana kita? Equator, in the middle of the earth.
Berapa derajat kemiringan bumi?
23.5 degree. Good question. Siapa itu? Siapa yang tanya?
Kia.
Ya, 23.5 degree ya.
Debbie, where's
Oke,
Kazakhstan?
Oke.
Miss Debbie?
Ya.
Miss
Any other
Debbie?
question? Yes, any other question?
Where is Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan itu ada di dekat Rusia ya, dekat Russian sini. Kazakhstan is near the Pakistan, is near the part of the Russian,
Afghanistan.
on the west of Russian, di baratnya Rusia, tapi di utaranya India itu Kazakhstan ya.
Oke.
Ya, sebentar. Your grandma in? Wow, this is Pakistan nih. Ini Pakistan nih. This is Pakistan, utaranya India. Kazakhstan is near like this. Kazakhstan itu dekat sini. Any other question?
No.
Okay, just puas semuanya ya.
But my class was in Indonesia.
Yeah, sure. We live in Indonesia, right? In Java Island. Bali is kalau Bali itu di nih loh, Bali nih di sampingnya. Bali di sampingnya Pulau Jawa kita ya. Bali itu.
Apa penyebab kemiringan bumi?
Oh, penyebab kemiringan bumi. That's hard question. It's just because of the gravity. Bentar. Yeah. Oh, your daddy is in Bali now. Because of the gravity pull, yeah, to the sun. Jadi there is a gravity between sun and earth. Ada gravitasi yang namanya gaya tarik menarik antara bumi dan matahari. Ya, that's why the earth is tilted. Some once in a year, jadi sekali waktu di dalam one month ya, di dalam 1 bulan itu ada tarikan yang paling kencang dan juga yang paling lemah ya. That's why we have apa namanya itu in the seashore ya, we have the wave in the itu sebabnya kenapa ada ombak di laut itu juga karena of gravity. Any more question?
No.
Okay, now kalau nggak ada lagi, Miss Debbie will give you Miss Debbie buka dulu ya, bentar. We still have time, right? No worries.
I think so. I haven't checked the jadwal.
Mana tadi season science 3. Ini ada season in a year. Worksheet. Okay. Dah. Now I'm going to share the worksheet. Oke, kita boleh jawab sama-sama ya? Kita boleh jawab ya?
Oke.
You don't need to write, nggak usah ditulis, langsung aja belajar.
Oke.
Langsung aja belajar. Oh, you got that? From me? Oh, from the sekolah Maya ya? Oke, ada yang sudah nge-print ya? Yo. The earth on the left side. Sekarang yang kiri ya. Let's read together everybody. Wah, banyak chartnya ini apa ya? Sebentar, Miss Debbie lihat dulu. Maybe any more question? I see Indonesia. Okay, yeah. I want to listen. Okay, now. Yo, now let's read together on the left side. Yang kiri ya sekarang ya. The answer is in the box. Answernya is in the box.
Where's the box?
In the top, at the top.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Answernya ada Northern Hemisphere, ada Equator, ada Southern Hemisphere. The title is a world of two halves. 2 bagian dunia. Ya, let's read. 1, 2, 3. Yuk guys,
The earth is
The earth is sphere and is split into two halves by an imaginary line called the
It's called
equator.
equator.
Equator ya. The top. Yang di atas namanya apa katanya?
Northern.
The
Northern.
top half
Northern.
is called northern.
Northern.
And the bottom half is called southern.
And the bottom is called
Southern.
southern. Pardon? Sure. Southern ya. Ya, oke. Udah ya? Nah, sebenarnya disuruh gambar, but you don't need to draw. You can draw by yourself later ya. On the right side, barang yang kanan. Let's read together. Why do we have seasons?
We have season.
Everybody read. 1, 2, 3.
We have seasons
Because ini jawabannya yang
the
bawah.
earth orbits
Orbit
the sun.
Ini apa? Orbit the
sun.
sun. It takes
the earth
later.
away hemisphere, no?
Ulangi ya, yang bagian sini ya. Everybody please read. 1, 2, 3.
It takes the earth
in a year. Pardon?
We need to write or just learn.
No, just learn together with me. Bentar, Miss Devi nggak kedengeran. Toward itu terhadap, face to, itu toward, face to, ya. Ada yang tanya toward katanya. Oke, ulangi ya. It takes the earth how many days in a year? Do you know? Ini bukan 356, terbalik ini ya. 365, ya. 365, 1/4 days. Ya, 365 seperempat hari. This one, ya, 365 or 1 year. Itu orbit the sun. Jadi mengelilingi mataharinya berapa lama katanya? Berapa lama mengelilinginya? 365 and 1/4 day, ya. Next, 1, 2, 3. Because the earth is karena dia punya garisnya bagaimana tadi? Karena bumi apa? Buminya bagaimana ya tadi? Tilted, miring. Ini namanya axis ya. Ini namanya axis. Axis. Jadi imaginary line-nya ini. Ini namanya axis. Karena buminya tilted, miring, ini ya, tilted. Karena buminya miring pada garisnya, gitu ya. At all times of the year, it always tilted either blah 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 or either blah 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 from the sun. At all time of the year, sepanjang tahun, satu apa ya? Coba dilihat jawabannya. Satu apa? Satu apa ya? Satu apa dari bumi that always face to the earth, face to the sun, or far away from the sun? Satu apa? Can you guess? Ada kata apa di sini? Ya, correct. Hemisphere. Satu bagian. Tania ya? Good job, Tania. Tania, you too? You said hemisphere too? One hemisphere, satu bagian, ya. Hemisphere ini jawabannya. Hemisphere, ya. Satu bagiannya ini sepanjang tahun, ya. It's not sepanjang tahun actually. At all time of the year, one hemisphere, satu bagian pada tahun itu, ya. It always still, selalu menghadap, katanya, apa ini? Toward, ya, toward. Jadi di sini jawabannya toward, or atau katanya away, atau jauh, ya, menjauhi matahari from the sun. In the hemisphere there is still toward the sun. Kalau yang menghadap mataharinya banyak, ini namanya apa? Musimnya apa? Tadi kalau gambarnya
Summer.
Nah, summer, ya. Kalau yang dapat mataharinya banyak toward the sun, a lot, dia summer because of the sun ray. Ya. In the hemisphere there is still away, katanya. Kalau yang jauh, kalau yang jauh, good. It is apa namanya? The season? Winter. Good job, ya. Because the sun ray take longer to reach and so they lost some of their strength. That is why it's blah 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 in the winter. Colder karena jauh, karena sedikit mataharinya. That's why it's colder in winter. Everybody good job today, ya. Well done. Semuanya mengerti? Good job, everybody. So today is enough, yeah. Our class. This is the last meeting. There will be no assignment for today. We just discuss for the weather and season, and it's done for today, yeah. If there is no more question, then I will stop the class. Thank you.